Hello everybody, how are you? I am Mohammed Ahmed and your teacher here, and I will be teaching you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classteacher.com where we will be discussing questions. So let's get on the question. Our today's question is Eagle Inc. partnered with Welby Consultants to poll users about its latest product. Eagle wanted to know if it lived up to expectations and if the users encountered any problems when using the product. At the same time, Eagle tracked how many products were rejected by inspectors when they came off the assembly line, as well as show as how many products were turned because of defects. This scenario illustrates an aspect of controls. Option A, operations. Option B, development. Option C, strategic. Option D, financial. Option E, structural. The correct answer of the question, option A. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.